Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey, Roxy. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. Actually, eggs and Hungarian sausage. Ooh, you just pooped. That was funny. You want to come out? You want to help Daddy cook breakfast? No? You want to bite Daddy instead? Ow! 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 I'm gonna bite you back. Rawr. You want to come out? Come, my little one. Good morning, little Roxy, Roxy. Look at you, so fuzzy in the morning. Oh, you're so cute. Oh. It's funny how the light changes depending on this auto focus thing on this camera. Oh, okay. Now you're ready. Are you ready to have breakfast with Daddy? Look what Daddy's making. That's right. Oh, you want to be on my shoulder? We're having Benda Scout sausage, otherwise known as czerwkie, kolbas, ready to eat smoked sausage. That's right. And I put some onions and some bell peppers and some of the sausage cut into little medallions, and then I just add eggs. So let's add eggs. Got my coffee with the metal cup. The Henning Poly metal cup. Alright, we're gonna do this. We're gonna see if we can do it like a chef. Yes, not too bad, Laz. These organic eggs, these are great. From the small farm, family farms. Look at the family there. Happy holidays from the Klein family. Man, this is from Christmas, these eggs? Nah, can't be. A little harder, Laz. Hit that a little harder. Look at how nice and orange yellow those eggs are. Not like those Safeway brand ones or the other brands, you know. I don't know why I'm showing you that. I'll show you that. This is a little like scramble dish that my dad would do. And sometimes he would just use like Polish sausage too if he couldn't get the Hungarian sausage. So you just mix it up. That's right, Roxy, you're gonna get a little bit. Some of the sausage, not the eggs though. Not the eggs, Roxy. That's fine. You can add a third egg. Yeah, we're gonna add a third egg because we have a feeling. Ludania, are you gonna have some? No? Okay, I think 2 eggs is enough then. 2 eggs is enough. So this is the Hungarian Scout sausage scramble. That's what we're going to call it. I guess you could make this Guitars and Grub, episode number 2? Could we? Because we want to do an episode number 3 and we want to bring on our favorite chef of the YouTubes. Yes, Clinton James. He likes to cook with ketchup. I was thinking about coming up with a recipe of stuffed bell peppers, Hungarian stuffed bell peppers, which would be really yummy. And we can use ketchup in that. Anyway, so here's Roxy. Roxy, what are you doing down? Ow! Home food home. Roxy, be nice to Daddy. You want some of this? You're not going to get any if you're going to be a little rascal. Ah, look at her biting me. Anyway, Scruffy Laz here. Sunday morning before the show. The show's going on in an hour. Be there or be square. Therapy Laz with Roxy. Doing an impromptu Guitars and Grub episode number 2. Part 2. You guys want to see her drink coffee? There we go. Look. Coffee, Roxy. It's your favorite thing. Don't you want some? I know you do. It's coffee, that's good. Yeah. She's so sleepy she doesn't know what's going on. Oh, there she goes. She's going in on the coffee. Look at that scrumptious breakfast there. Yum. You like coffee, don't you, Rox? Let's get the focus working. Why isn't the focus working? You're so out of focus, Roxy. What's up? I think I'm too close. No, it's the camera, honey. Oh, I don't know. Something's going on. Is that enough? That's enough coffee? Okay, how about that? Some of that? Does that look yummy to you? It's kind of hot, huh? You don't want to cook, Roxy. All right, Roxy. Back you go to the top of your little house here for now, while Daddy Daddy has his breakfast. Laters, everybody. Music Therapy Laz. Out. I don't know how I'm going to turn this off while I'm holding it. Okay, I'll try this, see if this works.